To send instant sends on Coinbase. Start by downloading the Coinbase app from your device's App Store, which may be the Apple App Store or Google Play, by searching for Coinbase. Once the app is downloaded, locate it on your screen and open it. To activate instant sends, you may need to access your account through a web browser. As this feature may not be available on the mobile app, sign in to your account. Then navigate to the Settings section. From there, go to the Privacy settings and toggle the Instant Sends option on or off. If you're having trouble finding this feature, it may be located in your Coinbase vault. The process is relatively simple. Just go to Settings, select Privacy settings, and toggle Instant Sends on or off. If you find this information helpful, you can show your appreciation by liking and sharing the information. And you can also stay up to date on new topics by subscribing and clicking the notification bell. Thank you for taking the time to learn about activating instant sends on Coinbase.